What's up, Ankr coin holders? How are you? Hope you have a good day, my friends. Once again, in this video, I'm talking about the Ankr coin. My friends, this is the emergency of Ankr coin, so keep watching this video till the end. And if you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button and also like this video, my friends. Let's start the video, my friends, before wasting any time, my friends. You can see here, my friends, first of all, if we talk about the latest price of the Ankr coin, so the latest price present on, you can see here, 0.08 USD dollar is the currently at this time latest price of the Ankr coin. On the other side, my friends, if we look the price of the Ankr coin in a Bitcoin and a BTC, so you can see here the BTC price of the Ankr coin as very low at this time, 0.0000211 BTC as the currently price of the Ankr coin. On the other side, you can see the market cap, 24 hours trading volume, available supply, total supply. Every update is present on the front of your eyes. You can easily read out these details, my friends. Anyways, my friends, now let's talk about the price changes. What my friends, from the previous last 1 weekend, the price of Ankr coin is going down. The last 1 weekend price changes is negative, falls down. Why? And what should we do in this critical situation? A lot of people confuse in this decision. Is it a best time to buy? Is it a best time to sell? Is it a best time to hold? No one can understand these difficulties. But my friends, you know what I recommend for my viewers? I recommend for every viewers that selling is not a solution, my friends. Selling is not a solution. Holding is the solution of every problem. You know what, my friends? You are completely at the loss at this time. You are completely at the loss because the last 1 weekend pricing is negative. Last 1 month pricing is negative. So you are in the loss. Now, if you decide to sell Ankr coin on this price, so you lose your money and the Ankr coin. On the other side, if you decide to hold, maybe, my friends, if you decide to hold, maybe in the future there is a lot of chances to the price will pump and you will get profit from the Ankr coin. So holding as the best solution at this time, my friends. Anyways, remember that my prediction about Ankr coin is 100% positive. I believe that they will give us good amount of profit in the last of this month. So don't decide to sell, it's time to hold. Anyways, what is your opinion and what is your prediction about Ankr coin? Please tell me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.